What if I told you that your favorite song could be more powerful than any medicine? Scientists have uncovered astonishing facts about how music affects our bodies and minds. From curing anxiety to boosting immune systems, the hidden powers of melody might surprise you. This is the story of how sound waves become healing waves, transforming lives one note at a time. Stay tuned to discover the science behind music's magic and learn how to harness its power for your own well-being. Don't forget to subscribe to uncover more fascinating secrets about the world around us. The journey begins in ancient civilizations where healers understood something modern science is just beginning to grasp. The human body responds to musical vibrations in ways that transcend simple enjoyment. When sound waves hit our ears, they don't just create pleasant sensations, they trigger a cascade of biological responses. Our hearts synchronize with rhythms, breathing patterns adjust to tempos, and even brainwave activity shifts to match musical frequencies. In hospitals worldwide, doctors observe remarkable phenomena when patients listen to carefully selected compositions. Blood pressure drops, stress hormones decrease, and pain perception diminishes without a single pill being administered. The explanation lies in our evolutionary past when natural rhythms govern survival. Music reconnects us with these primal patterns, restoring balance to overstimulated nervous systems. Researchers have documented how classical pieces with specific tempos can reduce anxiety levels by up to 40% within minutes. But it's not just about calmness. Upbeat melodies work like natural stimulants, increasing energy and focus while triggering dopamine release in the brain's reward centers. Modern neuroscience has revealed that different genres affect various brain regions in unique ways. When listening to jazz improvisation, the prefrontal cortex lights up with creative energy while activating areas responsible for emotional processing. Rock music stimulates motor control centers, explaining why we feel compelled to move to the beat. Electronic dance music creates a state of flow, similar to meditation, by engaging neural circuits associated with rhythm perception and anticipation. These discoveries led to revolutionary approaches in mental health treatment. Music therapists now use personalized playlists to help patients overcome depression, manage PTSD symptoms, and even recover from strokes. The impact extends beyond psychological benefits. Studies show that regular musical engagement boosts immune system function by increasing immunoglobulin A production. Patients undergoing chemotherapy report significantly reduced side effects when incorporating music therapy into their treatment plans. Even physical rehabilitation sees dramatic improvements when synchronized with rhythmic accompaniment. Parkinson's disease patients who struggled with movement find new fluidity when walking to metronome beats. Stroke survivors regain speech abilities faster through melodic intonation therapy, where language reconstruction occurs through singing rather than speaking. The therapeutic potential of music stretches far beyond clinical settings. Everyday life presents countless opportunities to harness its healing properties. Morning routines set to invigorating tracks prepare the mind for optimal performance throughout the day. Workspaces filled with ambient sounds enhance concentration while reducing stress levels. Even sleep quality improves dramatically when winding down with specially composed relaxation music. The key lies in understanding personal musical preferences and physiological responses. Some individuals respond best to familiar childhood melodies that trigger positive memories, while others benefit more from exploring new genres that challenge their auditory expectations. Recent technological advances have made personalized music therapy more accessible than ever before. Apps can now analyze heart rate variability and suggest real-time playlist adjustments to maintain optimal stress levels. Wearable devices monitor physiological responses to different musical elements, creating customized healing experiences. As research continues, scientists are discovering increasingly sophisticated ways to integrate music into healthcare. From operating rooms where surgeons perform better with classical background music to neonatal units where premature babies thrive under lullaby therapy, the applications seem limitless. The future holds promise for even more innovative approaches combining artificial intelligence with musical composition to create adaptive healing soundscapes tailored to individual needs. Remember to subscribe to explore more fascinating connections between art and science that shape our daily lives.